On all of our Smartland properties, we offer uncontested 24-hour maintenance. You can call or email our maintenance crews at any time. We get our crew out to you to have your unit fixed quickly and efficiently. From leaks to cracks to failing utilities or broken appliances, you can feel confident that at any time, your problem can be solved. 24-hour maintenance is incredibly important in Smartland's eyes for quality of living. Many unexpected things can happen at any given point in time, and we want to make sure that our crew can be out to help you when life throws you a curveball. The summers get hot and the winters get cold here in Ohio. If you don't have a 24-hour maintenance crew on hand and your heater breaks at midnight or your AC gives out at noon, you're probably going to be stuck suffering with the heat or cold until your maintenance crew is back on the clock. At Smartland, however, our maintenance crew is always working for you. Smartland's maintenance crews are the best of the best out there. Most problems can be solved or fixed within the day with our crew of maintenance pros. They can fix anything from a broken pipe to a busted window. And not only do they have great maintenance skills, but they're also a very personable crew. They're happy to lend a helping hand or a helping ear and even offer advice to tenants everywhere. Our Smartland maintenance crew is the perfect blend of handy and helpful.